simply the words. They come with different meaning for students of ITER. For some, it is time to approach their crush. And for some, it is time to lose their alcohol virginity. And those who have already lost it, it's time to get drunk and lose their minds. Chakravyuh and Genesis are celebrated 5 days out of 365 days of books, copies, labs, vivas, blah blah blah, with fun without limitation, enjoyment and many more. But unfortunately, most of the people, they don't get it all at a time. But it won't happen this year because we are here. Virtual showreel will cover each and every bit of event of Chakravyuh and Genesis 2K13 and will make these 5 days the most memorable and the best 5 days of ITR history. So let's go inside and check it out.
Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Agreed? Here, the appreciation lies behind the tech fest. The people who make it look more beautiful. Here we are talking the campus decoration along with the perfect setting. The look of college has changed. Look of ITR has completely changed. Wall painting by students have made look ITR as a bride. Hard work, determination and focus for the paintings has paid off. The decoration is also incomplete without the perfect ambience. Students have the main focus on the lighting and the sound facility. This time it's really gonna be new and refreshing. Genesis preparation starts with wall paintings. Students this year participated with huge numbers. Wall painting has changed the look of ITR. Starting from the entrance to the placement cell, Srishti members have given a colorful look to our college, look which ITR has never seen before. The paintings soothe our eyes and it's always a pleasure to look at the dramatic exhibition of colors blended with each other. Guys, you have really done a great job. Applause might be less for you all.
In ITR, we have different kinds of clubs. They organize their particular events on their own. They have already conducted their auditions, so let's have a look.
Dance, the place where people move rhythmically to the beats. A place where students' motion and steps are usually performed with the flow of the music. In here, we will get to see the real and true colors of ITR flowing over the stage and connecting it all over the audience. Dance preparation are up in high level. Students putting their best foot forward for making it successful and huge. Fashion has its own name at ITR, En Vogue. It gives us a great opportunity to improvise and present talents with the changing fashion. This is a much awaited event for our students. Students here not only accept the change but appreciate the hard work and determination they involve in making En Vogue to stand tall. Students have tightened themselves up for Genesis. As always, this time also they have added elements of surprise for us.
Preparations are on high and rehearsals are going on. So let's meet the coordinators and have a chit chat with them.
ଆଜି ଆପଣମାନେ ଭାବୁଥିବେ ଆମର ଭର୍ଚୁଆଲ ଶୋ ଏତେ ଡ୍ରାମାଟାଇଜ୍ କେମିତି ହୁଏ? ୱେଲ୍ ଆଜି ଆମ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଯେଉଁ ଗେଷ୍ଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ବି ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନ୍ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। ସିଏ ଆଇଟିଆଇରେ ବହୁତ ବିଖ୍ୟାତ ବହୁତ ପ୍ରଖ୍ୟାତ। ଆଇଟିଆଇରେ ଡ୍ରାମା କହିଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ହିଁ ବୁଝାଯାଏ। ଆମ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆମ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପ୍ରିୟ ଦୀପକ ଭାଇ ଓ ଦୀପକ ନମସ୍କାର। ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆଉ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନ୍ ଦରକାର ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଟପିକ୍ ଫାଇନାଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର ମୋର ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ କ'ଣ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଦରକାର
এটা স্পেশাল জিনিস ମୁଁ ରଖୁଛି ସବୁ ପିଲା କ୍ଲବ୍ ଯାଇକି ରେଗୁଲାର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଚାନ୍ସ ମିଳିବ ନୂଆ ଚେହେରା ଆସିବ ତା ସହିତ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଡ୍ରାମାଟିକ୍ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ ଆମର ଗତ ବର୍ଷ ଥିଲା ମାସ୍କଟ ସାଉଥ ଗେମ୍ସ ଗତ ବର୍ଷ ଗୋଟେ ବୁଲୁଥିଲେ ଦୁଇଟା ବୁଲୁଥିଲେ ମାନେ ଦିନକୁ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ହାଫ୍ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ବୁଲୁଥିଲେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ହାଫ୍ ବୁଲୁନ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ହାଫ୍ ବୁଲୁନ ମାନେ 3 ଦିନ ଚକ୍ର ହୁଏ 3 ଦିନ ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ ହେବ ପୁରା ଟୋଟାଲ ତା ପାଇଁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଗ୍ରାଫିର ସପୋର୍ଟ ଦରକାର ନିହାତି ତାପରେ ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ ରହିବ ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ରେ କେହି ଜାଣିପାରିବେନି ଆରେ କଣ ଫଟିଗଲା ଜିନିଷଟା କହୁଛି ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ ପାଇଁ ପଇସା ରିହର୍ସାଲ ସେପଟେ ଚାଲିଛି ଏପଟେ ପିଲା ବସୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପୁଣି ଶିଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଡ୍ରାମା ତିନିଟା ନା ବଡ଼ ତା ସହିତ ଛୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଏସବୁ ରହିବ ତ କଥା କ'ଣ ହେଲା
ତାହେଲେ ମୋତେ ଆଉ କିଛି ପଚାରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିଲାନି ଆମ ଭାଇ ସବୁ କହିଦେଲେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ସୋ ଟ୍ୟୁନ୍ ରହିବା ଆଉ ପ୍ରମିସ୍ କରିବା କି ଆମେ ଏଥର ଡ୍ରାମା ସମସ୍ତେ ଦେଖିବା ଆଉ ଏଇ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟଟାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ସକ୍ସେସ୍ କରିବା ଦୀପକ ଭାଇ
सो ये हमारे प्रेमदास भैया जो कि कोऑर्डिनेटर हैं आईटीआर म्यूज़िक क्लब के, बहुत सुपर गाना गाते हैं यार, लेट मी टेल यू वन डे, ठीक है। तो आज कुछ बात करते हैं उनसे भैया से। भैया अभी क्या शो क्या रिहर्सल चल रहा है?
एक्चुअली रिहर्सल हमारा 4-5 दिन से चल रहा है। एक्चुअली सब छुट्टी में बोले गए थे मगर हम रिहर्सल कर रहे हैं क्योंकि इस बार थोड़ा अलग हो रहा है, जो कि मैं सोच रहा हूँ सब स्टूडेंट्स को अच्छा लगेगा, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि इस बार हम मेडली और फ्यूजन दो रख रहे हैं जो कि मिक्स है क्लासिकल और रॉक का, तो इतना अच्छा लगेगा सबको। मैं पूरा कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ और हमारा सब जितने भी सिंगर हैं सब सिंगर 100% क्लासिकल है और रॉकिंग भी बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं पूरा पॉप के साथ, तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि बहुत अच्छा होगा। और क्या
तो मतलब कि स्टूडेंट बहुत पहले से आकर के इतने एक्साइटेड है स्टूडेंट्स कि आ गए हैं पहले से करने के लिए?
हाँ पहले हम तो बुलाए गए थे, एक्चुअली 3-4 दिन पहले बुलाए गए थे, बोले कि नहीं एक्चुअली हम थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। ओके ठीक है,
तो मतलब कि गाइस में पहले ही से बहुत जोश है, जितने भी म्यूजिक क्लब के लोग हैं, दिख भी रहा है, बहुत लोगों में दिख भी रहा है।
आप देख सकते हैं अंदर जाके।
हाँ हम लोग जरूर जाएंगे, हम लोग बिल्कुल जाएंगे वहाँ पे जाकर के देखने के लिए। तो आईटीआर म्यूजिक क्लब बिल्कुल अपने जोश पे है।
Hello guys, this is me Nilipta again from Virtual Showreel, and right now I'm next to the stage of ITR where all the performances of Genesis are going to be held. So now let's have a chat with some of the volunteers who are in charge of the stage. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Uttam Pradhan and I'm from iShivrans. This belongs to this stage. This is a very really good challenge for all of our coordinators and some very great responsibility when you when you take that type of responsibility, you have some type of enthusiasm in your heart or in your body that to perform that type of responsibility. Now this year, this is the really new type of innovative ideas are introduced, and you see that these beans are really introduced this year. Previous 3 years, our management or our students are not so excited that for the performance, and I think new LED and new displays are also introduced. I introduce my another coordinators, Amit Jana. Please say something.
Hi, what's your name?
Yeah, hi, this is Amit Jana, and as you was watching this time we are making some little more.
What are the new features we'll get this time?
Actually this time we are, like every time there is something, backdrop is something else, but this time I was planning for new things. And what else? Lights are new, lights are good, and spotlights are there even, and weather lights we're introducing first time here, and people are so cooperative over here, they're enjoying, it's going on, it's
And
going
since
good.
when has the preparation started?
Yeah, it's actually started a month before, but actually we did work since 5-10 days before, but due to all the coordinators, all the people in ITR, our stage in charge or stage teachers, and you people also, thank you so much.
It'll be over by evening.
Yeah, it will be over around like 3 o'clock, don't worry about that.